What would happen if the sun disappeared at this moment? The sun is about 330,000 times the mass of Earth and produces the same amount of energy as 100 billion hydrogen bombs every second. Its great mass makes the sun the dominant gravitational force in the solar system, locking all 8 planets into elliptical orbits. At the same time, the sun's immense energy heats our planet enough for Earth's surface to be the right temperature for liquid water, the catalyst for life. But what would happen if we lost the sun? How would you feel? The speed of gravitation. Before Einstein delved into this problem, scientists suspected but did not prove that gravity acted instantaneously. If this is true, then the first thing that will happen when the sun disappears is that the Earth, along with all the other planets, will fly off into space, causing complete chaos in our solar system. On the other hand, light is not instantaneous. It travels at about 1,079 million kilometers per hour and takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. With that, we will see it for another 8 minutes in our sky after it disappears. So if the speed of light is constant and the speed of gravity is instantaneous, then we will feel the sun disappearing before we see it gone. As Einstein showed in his theory of relativity, the force of gravity is not instantaneous. In fact, it travels at the same speed as light. Therefore, if the sun disappears, we will remain unconscious for 8 minutes. Eternal darkness. But we will not be in total darkness. The stars would shine and the electricity would continue to work, so cities would light up as long as there was electricity. Even the planets would remain visible for a short time. For example, when Jupiter is closest to Earth, it is about 33 light minutes, which means that we will continue to see the great planet for more than an hour. But without sunlight, photosynthesis, the process by which plants generate food, would cease as the sun's energy disappeared. Most small plants will die within a few days, but we don't need to worry about that. Earth's average surface temperature will drop to minus 65 degrees Celsius by the end of the first year. Earth's oceans will be even colder and eventually freeze over. But like deep lakes in winter, only their surface will freeze. If humans were to survive this extreme transformation, their only refuge would be geothermal vents on the ocean floor. These vents emit heat that travels up from the center of the Earth. In this way, life would be desperately dark and lonely, and there is no telling how long people would live under these conditions. On the other hand, the animals that live below these vents will continue to live billions of years after the sun disappears because they don't need the sun to survive. Now, the Earth orbits the sun at a blistering speed of 107,826 kilometers per hour. If the sun disappears, its gravity will be gone, but the speed of the Earth will remain the same. Unless Earth collides with other planets, asteroids, or comets, it would take just 377 million hours or 43,000 years to travel 4.3 light-years the distance to the nearest star, Alpha Centauri. And after a billion years, Earth would have traveled 100,000 light-years, or the length of the entire galaxy. If you like this video, subscribe.